In this video, we're gonna learn how error handling works with the async await. So with the async await, we can use the catch method that we used before because we can really attach it anywhere. So instead, we use something called a try catch statement. And the try catch statement is actually used in regular JavaScript as well. So it's been in the language probably since the beginning. So try catch has nothing to do with the async await, but we can still use it to catch errors and the async functions. But before we do that, so let's look at a more simple example just to see how try catch works. So let's just create a variable here, set it to 1, create another one. So this one is a constant 2, and now my goal was to reassign y, but I will accidentally, let's say, reassign x. And so that should then give us an error, because of course that is not legal, so we can reassign a constant. And so for now, if we look at this point, first we get this error. And so now here we can add a try catch block. So we have a catch block, and this catch block we have access to whatever error occur in this try block. And so now we can do something with this error. So let's say we simply want to allow this error or just the error message. So as we know, any error has the message property, so we can simply allow this one. So let's see. And indeed, now we get the assignments to constant variable here in this alert. So you see that the error now no longer appear down here in the console. So the script does no longer die in this case, but instead we simply catch the error right here and then handle it accordingly. But anyway, this here is just a silly syntax error. And of course, so we are not going to use try catch to find mistake that we make in our code. And so let's now use try catch for something more useful, which is to actually handle the real error and async functions. So just like in the small example that we saw, so let's wrap our entire code of this function into a try block, curly braces, so message, but there's no error, that's why we see nothing. So let's try something make error, mistake. So indeed we find the error here.